Up for sale today, got a real treat. A 1959 Corvette Survivor. Almost all original. 283, 270 horsepower. Original to the car. 4-speed. Snowcrest white with turquoise interior. Survivor, previously owned up until 5 years ago by the first owner. Never painted, all original. I can't help it. I'm going to show you a lot of cool things on the car. How beautiful it is. It's very... I'm not going to get this opportunity again to own the car like this. I'm just coming around the car now and I realized I forgot to mention something, so I'm going to pop the hood and show you. In the 70s, it got a disc front conversion, so it has a different master cylinder on the car. If you can see, yeah, you can see that. And underneath the car, I'll show you real quick. It has, if it'll light up, I don't know. How about now? Yeah, you can see it now. Disc brakes. So that is an option to the car. Not really an original option, but you get what I'm saying, optional. The gentleman did it in the 70s. So, alright. So, oh gosh, there's a bee. Subscribe to the channel before I start and like the video. I appreciate it. It helps me out. So the owner owned it in California all of its life. He moved to Hawaii, brought the car with him. There's actually a Hawaii sticker on the rear bumper that was left. So as you know, the paint is 60 years old, 61 years old, if I'm heading right. And it's got various flaws, but nothing bad. It's not faded, it's not chipping apart, cracking apart anywhere. I'm just gonna go. Chrome bumpers show nice. This one's very nice. There's small amount of pitting on it. Nothing bad at all, honestly. For a Survivor, this car is beautiful. I know the only two things that are new on the car are the radial tires and the exhaust system, but it's nothing crazy. It's more of a factory type exhaust. The engine, the trans, and the clutch were all rebuilt, so they were taken out and they've been freshened up, gone through, repainted, put back in. Again, you see, if you can see, there's various flaws on the body, but it happens. It's 61 years old. Here we go. California Highway Patrol Vehicle Inspection. That's an older sticker. You open it up. The carpet might have been replaced. I can't tell because it's not bad, but oh, the car has 27,000 original miles. So again, it hasn't, I don't want to say taken a lot of abuse, but it hasn't taken a lot of abuse. The gentleman was actually a pilot, the first owner, pilot for Pan Am. They went out of business 25, 30 years ago. And actually, I'm going to walk over there now and show you. There was a sticker, his parking permit for where he would pull in, park at the airport. That's him. And while I'm showing you the stickers, here is the Hawaii vehicle inspection on the rear bumper, because like I said, he moved to Hawaii at one point. So again, walk through. There's a old school Chevron oil change sticker. That was at 22,000 miles. Like I said, the car has, and I will give you the exact reading, 24,800, not even 27,000 miles. I was giving you a little, it's even lower miles than you thought. Seats are gorgeous. Interior is gorgeous. Very nice dash. Everything works. All the lights, gauges. Oh, there's not too much to a 58, so 59, excuse me. Seat belts. He even has these real old school retractable. I don't even know. And it's cool to see that he had the parking permit on here, because it shows that it was his daily driver. You know, back in the day. I mean, I'm a young guy. I wasn't there. So back in the day, people drove these cars all the time. Now they're people's private possessions, but before, he drove to the airport, he parked it there, he left it there, he did his piloting, and came back and just hopped in the car, went along on his day like nothing special. Nice chrome. There's some various chips, some more various chips. So like I said, original 283, 270 horsepower. So it's the higher horsepower. It's the with the dual quad setup, the 2x4. Very, what I would think is a rare color combination. The Snowcrest white with the turquoise interior. Scrape. Undercarriage, rock solid, clean. Trunk is older, obviously. What am I saying? 60 years. The picture of the trunk is on the ad. I think it's a CU suffix, which represents the 270 horsepower. Has a white soft top, nice condition. From the looks of it, there was a hard top at one point, but it's no longer with the car. I don't know if the owner lost it. You know, back in the day, people may not have held on to it when it kind of got beat up or for whatever reason. But it has a white soft top now. Windows go up and down as they should. See there again, there's the Pan Am parking permit that I was telling you about. It'll be for sale later today. Just a quick rundown on the car again as I'm making my final lap around. 59 Corvette, white turquoise interior, Survivor, original 283, 270 horsepower motor with the dual quad setup, 4-speed transmission, 2-owner, owned in California, Hawaii by the first owner, bought 5 years ago by the second owner. Opportunities to own this kind of a car do not come very often. Again, some stone chips on the front. For its age, there are not very many flaws. This opens and closes as it should. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I should point out. Yeah, that's it. I'll fire it up. You can listen to it, show you the engine, run it around the block. Thanks for watching. Again, I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the car. And subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you very much. There we go. Here's the 283, the original 283. Dual quad CU, 270 horsepower. Like I said, original to the car. Again, nice original underhood on the car. Waiting for the driver to start the car. Yeah, so